Looking for a powerful and customizable mini excavator for your next project? Meet the OKW40, a 4.0-ton EPA and CE certified crawler excavator. Built with a Kubota 12 HP engine for reliable performance every time. This machine is fully customizable. Choose your own colors and logo to match your brand. It's equipped with a load-sensing hydraulic system, powerful plunger pump, and multiple assistive attachments for unmatched versatility. Ideal for manufacturing, agriculture, and landscaping. The OKW40 is compact enough for tight spaces, but tough enough for demanding jobs. With a 1-year warranty and fast delivery options. You're not just buying a machine. You're investing in productivity and peace of mind. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Supplies are limited, and demand is high. Act now and elevate your worksite with the OKW40 Mini Excavator.